when you're on the first place and being this close, because it's always been 1.3 points, 1.3 points, every game is a pressure. So, and if you are a team who challenges to win the league, you have to have mental stability, and you always have to be positive that entering each game with the approach that you can win the game and you can get 3 points. So pressure is there, but it's a positive pressure, and I hope boys react well on that.
Palma kienu jfissru daw l-aħħar lobby tal-ina li għaliex qed ngħidlek għaliex niftakar anke fl-ewwel round kontra Balzan kien 4 November, kienna prestazzjoni tajba ħafna, però ma rnexxinniex noħorġu bil-punti minn dik il-logħba, però għall-grazzi tagħha minn dakinhar sal-lum l-affarijiet inbidlu ħafna u b'ħafna xogħol, speċjalment bil-commitment tal-players, irnexxiena naslu sal-lum illi partita Birkirkara Balzan nistgħu nsejħula bħala top game. Però qed ngħid il-partita lina tfisser illi jekk aħna jirnexxielna għal darb'oħra nġibu l-punti minnha, allura nkun qed nersqu ħafna lejn it-tragward tagħna li bħalissa fil-mument huwa li nikkonsolidaw it-tielet post. Qed ngħidha di għaliex kull weekend jista' jkun fih stejjer differenti u anke l-klassifika tista' tiċċaqlaq, però aħna t-tnejta qudiemna definitivament ma nistgħux naqbżuhom dal-weekend, imma rridu nqogħdu attenti wkoll mit-timijiet ta' warajna għaliex nistgħu nintleħqu mit-timijiet ta' warajna. Allura għalina dil-partita tfisser fil-waqt li nirrikonoxxu s-saħħa ta' Balzan u nafu kontra min ħanilabu, però dil-partita għalina tfisser li għandna ċans li nikkonsolidaw tielet post.
Every round that passes, it's definitely more closer to the end. But I was asked the same question before, prior to Valletta game, and as I said then, at that time I think it was 8 games to go. Now after this it's still 4 games to go, and the league is definitely still close. Whatever happens this weekend, I mean, whatever happens this weekend, there is still 12 points to go, and the pressure rises. So, but definitely yes, if you win the game and get 3 points, you are 1 round closer to the final first position, hopefully.
F'dal moment ma naħsibx li jkun għaqli min-naħa tiegħi li nikkompara r-riżultati ta' Balzan kontra timijiet ħanajtek kwotati meta nara l-logħba tagħna. Naħseb li ħatkun partita bl-istorja tagħha, iż-żewġ timijiet għandhom l-strengths tagħhom, iż-żewġ timijiet jista' jkollhom il-weaknesses tagħhom, ġifieri jiena nispera anke ħaġa tal-futbol Malti li tkun partita sabiħa, partita fejn l-aħjar tim fil-ġurnata jirbaħ. Balzan ovvjament għandhom objettiv ħafna ola minn tagħna bħalissa. Aħna ġast qed inħarsu li nippruvaw kemm jista' jkun inżommu konsistenza.
Look, I have to be confident and I have to believe. Actually, I believe that we can. Whether we'll see tomorrow around 6 o'clock. But those are all big clubs, and all of those clubs have ambitions to finish in the top 3. To fight for Europa spot, and it's not easy to win against anyone, especially against those big clubs. Tomorrow's game, as I said in the beginning of this interview, if you want to win the league, you have to go even against the biggest teams in the country with the approach that you can win, and that's the approach we're going to have. What's going to happen